Hello guys! Are you ready to share your favorite moments on Pinterest? Follow these simple steps to upload a video from your phone. First, make sure you have the Pinterest app installed on your phone. Open the app and log into your account. In the bottom center, tap the plus button to start creating a new pin. Select Pin from the options to start the upload process. Now select the video you want to share from your phone gallery. On the new display page, there will be an option to arrange the video. When you are done with that, click on the next option in the upper right corner of the screen. Give your pin a catchy title and a short description. This will help others discover your video. Then you can insert the link to your video. And then click on Create option. And there it is. Your video is now live on Pinterest, ready to inspire and connect with others. Don't forget to explore and discover amazing content from fellow pinners. Like, save and share inspiration.